Hi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here at John. What is this place? He's my new friend. At John, right? Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you.
Yes. So, can you please tell me about yourself and what is this place?
This place is Cabaritan, San Manuel, Pangasinan.
Okay. And this guy, he has actually his own store, and he is specialist in IT work, especially in desktop machines and laptops. So he has also used machines with him. So if anybody is looking for used machines and new machines, both are available in good prices with this gentleman. And he's good in these things, and he's very polite and humble. So whatever you are looking for, he will definitely support. And I was here right now with my two machines, laptop and desktop. So he's trying to help me out to upgrade, and if not, so definitely I will switch for another kind of machine. So he's very humble and nice guy. So bro, wish you all the best and stay blessed and healthy.
Thank you.
So I will catch your mother because she's there. So they have something else also aside from this one. So we will have a look. I didn't know what couple of days, then accordingly I will grab it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.